All electrical connections must be in accordance with local codes, ordinances, and the National Electric Code. This product operates on 120-volt AC. Always confirm the maximum wattage of the fixture does not exceed the maximum wattage of the circuit it is connected to. If you are unfamiliar with methods of installing electrical wiring, secure the services of a qualified licensed electrician. Before installation, turn off power at main fuse box or disconnect power plug from outlet. Follow all instructions in the video. JESCO Lighting Group, LLC shall not be responsible or liable for any damage, injury, or loss resulting from the installation or use of JESCO lighting products as demonstrated in this video. By proceeding with the installation, you acknowledge and accept these terms and release. In this video, we will walk through the installation of the INFINA Hardwire Surge Module inside a 4x4 junction box. Each INFINA run includes a pre-attached hardwire surge module on the power feed cable. Before installation, check the product label for electrical ratings to ensure the circuit breaker or dimmer can support the run. Failure to install the hardwire surge module will void the warranty. Before you begin, turn off the main circuit breaker to prevent electrical hazards. The hardwire surge module may be temporarily disconnected to facilitate installation. If needed, trim the hardwire power feed cable to the desired length before inserting it into the junction box. Punch out a knockout on the junction box. Install the provided strain relief bushing, remove the nut. Insert the threaded end into the knockout. Secure it by tightening the nut. Insert the power feed cable through the strain relief bushing. Tighten the cord grip to secure the cable in place. Strip the wire leads and connect them to the hardwire surge module, black to black, white to white. Connect the surge protection wires to the supply wires using wire nuts. Green wire to ground or copper wire. White wire to supply neutral wire. Black wire to supply live wire. Test the electrical connection. Turn on the circuit breaker and check if the fixture powers on. If the fixture operates correctly, turn off the circuit breaker again. Neatly arrange the wires and place the hardwire surge module inside the junction box. Install the junction box cover plate. The fixture is now ready for mounting. Thank you for watching.